Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL Server 9.2 on Ubuntu Server 24.04.2 LTS version. Okay, let me connect to Ubuntu Server. See, I have connected to Ubuntu Server. See here, Ubuntu 24.04.2 LTS version. But I am going to connect this server by using PuTTY. So, to connect from PuTTY, we have to get the IP of this machine, ifconfig. See, this is the IP. Okay, so open PuTTY. See, open PuTTY, then give the IP. Load. See, I have already created a session, so open it, login, provide the password of this site user. See, we have connected to same Ubuntu server. more/etc os-release. See, I am on Ubuntu server 24.04.2. Okay. Now we will install the MySQL 9.2. Open any web browser, then go to mysql.com. Then click on downloads. Then scroll down. See here, we have the MySQL community downloads. Click on it. Click on MySQL community server. Then select the version. See here, we have the MySQL server versions. Okay, if you are unable to find this 9.2, you have to click on this archives. There you can find all older versions. Okay, so select the versions, then select the operating system Ubuntu Linux, then select OS version. See here we have the Ubuntu 24.04. Select it. See, once we selected these options, it populated the list of the Debian packages. Okay, instead of downloading each package, just download this deb bundle. Okay, click on it. That is download. Then right click on this one. No thanks, just start my download. Then copy link address. Then go to PuTTY or on the server also. Then give wget. Paste that link. Hit enter. See, the size is 495 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, we will extract and install the MySQL Server 9.5. See, download is completed. ls. See here we have the tar file. We have to untar this file. tar-xf, give the MySQL, give the tab to autofill entire tar file name. Hit enter. Extraction completed. ls. See here we have the list of the Debian packages that needs to be installed to install MySQL Server 9.2. But before installing them, Ctrl-L, we have to install the following dependencies. Sudo apt install macap-ipadic-utf8 lib-aio-dev. I will keep this command in the video description. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Type 5 for confirmation and hit enter. Now install the MySQL Server 9.2. Ctrl-A, ls, sudo dbkg-i star.deb. Means it will install all Debian packages. Hit enter. See, installation has been started. Now we have to set the password for root account. Hit enter. Confirm the same. Hit enter. We have successfully installed MySQL Server 9.2. Let us verify the status of the MySQL service. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. Hit enter. See, MySQL service is active and running and it is enabled. Quit to quit. Ctrl-A. Now connect to MySQL Server. Sudo MySQL-u root-p. Then provide the password of MySQL root user. See, we have connected to MySQL Server 9.2. Let us verify the version by running the command. Select version. See, we have installed MySQL Server 9.2. Now we will see how to create a database. Show database is the command to verify the list of the databases. See, these are the list of the databases that comes with MySQL installation. Create a database. Create. Now switch to this database by using use command. Use keyword. Now verify the current database, select database. It is, see, we are in the bank database. Now create a table in this database. Before that, verify list of tables. See, we don't have any tables, so create a table. Show tables. See, we have created a table. Let us insert some data into this table. Verify the data. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay. Now create user in MySQL. Show users to verify list of users, but this won't work. You can get the list of the users by running the command. Select user from MySQL.user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create user. Create user. Again verify. See, new user is created. Okay. Now we will connect to MySQL with this new user. Exit MySQL-u. New username is James-t. Then provide the password of this user. See, we have connected to MySQL server. Let us verify the current user. Select current_user. See, we have connected with the new user. Okay. Now try to switch to new database. See, we are unable to access because we have created user, but we haven't grant any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Okay, exit. Now we will see how to stop, start, and restart MySQL service. Sudo systemctl start. Check the status first. See, MySQL is started. Let us stop. MySQL is stopped. Let us verify the status again. See, MySQL is stopped or dead. See here. Okay. Qt also we can verify by trying to connect to MySQL server. MySQL-u root-. See, we are unable to connect because MySQL server is stopped. So start it again. Verify the status. See, MySQL server is active or running. Okay. If you want to restart, give sudo systemctl restart MySQL. Verify. See, we have successfully restarted 1 second ago. Until now, we have connected MySQL by using command line client. We can also connect MySQL server by using MySQL Workbench or dbeaver. Okay. So you can install dbeaver or MySQL Workbench on your machines. Then you can connect to this PC. Just go ifconfig. Then open. I have already installed. Just open Workbench. Then we have to click on this plus button and we have to provide all this connection information. The other tool is dbeaver. Click on it. Click on this plus button. Then select MySQL. Then click on next. Here we have to give the IP from this one. We have to copy this one and we have to paste here. Then we have to provide database name, password. Then we have to click on text connection. This is the way to connect to MySQL by using Workbench and dbeaver, which is installed on Ubuntu server. Okay. The last step is pwd cd downloads ls. See, these files are not required anymore, so remove them. rm star.deb ls. See, here we have one more file, that is star file, so remove it also. rm mysql, remove it. ls, we have cleared the space. So in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL server 9.2 on Ubuntu server 24.04.2 LTS version. For more MySQL or Ubuntu tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.